Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Many of you requested a simpler, cost-effective recipe for dombolos or dumplings. So today I'm going to show you how to make this delicious mutton curry with dombolos. If you've never heard of dombolos before, they're basically soft and fluffy South African dumplings that are similar to bread, and this makes it perfect for soaking up that delicious curry sauce. So let's get started. To a bowl, add in all your dry ingredients. Here I am adding 3 cups of cake flour. Then add in 10 grams of yeast, to this I'm going to add in 6 teaspoons of baking powder, and some of you may be asking why baking powder and yeast. Trust me, it's quicker to rise. Then add in 1 teaspoon of fine salt, 2 teaspoons of granulated sugar, mix all the dry ingredients together, and then we're going to add in 100 ml of boiling water, and this is actually going to activate the yeast. Thereafter, we're going to add in 200 ml of cold water. Mix this all together and knead as well. This is the consistency you should get. Now we're going to cover this and leave aside to rise. Let's make our mutton curry. For the mutton curry, I'm going to take a deep based pot and add in half a cup of sunflower oil. Add in 2 chopped onions as well, and then 1 heaped teaspoon of cumin seeds. Also add in 2 cinnamon sticks. Allow this to braise until the onions are a lovely golden brown color. Once the onions have browned, we're going to add in 1 kg of leg mutton, and you can cut as desired. Then I'm going to add in 2 cups of boiling water, as well as 2 heaped teaspoons of ginger garlic paste. Don't forget to add in your heaped teaspoon of rough salt as well. Mix this and allow it to simmer on medium heat for about 30 minutes until the meat is nice and soft. In another bowl, peel and dice 4 medium potatoes, and to this we're going to add in the following spices: 2 teaspoons of red chilli powder, 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 2 teaspoons of cumin powder, 2 teaspoons of coriander powder, and 2 heaped tablespoons of tomato paste, not puree. Then add in 2 cups of boiling water, mix and leave aside. Once the meat has softened, add in the diced potatoes with the spices and cook this for another 15 minutes until the potatoes have slightly softened. While the potatoes are being cooked, let's go back to our dough that we left to rise and divide this into 10 balls, almost the size of golf balls. Once you are happy with the texture of the potatoes and the meat, add in the dombolos or dumplings. Then we're going to close the pot and leave this to steam for about 10 minutes. After 10 minutes of steaming, you have these amazing dumplings ready to serve with your mutton curry. Garnish with some coriander and enjoy this perfect winter meal. Just to show you the inside of the dumplings, and my mouth is already watering for these. Don't forget to check out the link in the description for the dombolos or dumplings recipe with lamb stew. If you do try out the recipes, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. Until the next vlog, happy cooking!